What if I told you that getting rich doesn't mean cutting out coffee, never eating out, or living like a monk? That's the core message of I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, a practical money playbook for living a rich life your way. And today, I'm breaking it down into simple, actionable steps. Most financial advice feels like punishment. Stop buying lattes, cancel Netflix, pinch every penny. But here's the reality. Almost nobody sticks with extreme frugality. You might save for a few weeks, but eventually you burn out. Then guilt hits, and the cycle repeats. Meanwhile, wealthy people aren't stressing over $3 coffee. They're focused on systems that grow their money automatically, without effort. That's Ramit's philosophy. Stop obsessing over tiny savings and instead build a system that makes you rich while you sleep. Let's be real. You get paid on Friday. By Tuesday, the money's already gone. Bills, credit cards, random spending. Poof. You feel broke again. You promise yourself you'll do better next month, but it never changes. That's not because you're lazy. It's because you don't have a money system. Ramit says, a rich life isn't about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to the things that matter. If you want freedom, you need automation. Here's the breakthrough. You don't need to track every single expense. Instead, set up a system where your money takes care of itself. The moment your paycheck hits, a chunk goes to savings, another to investments. Bills are paid automatically. Whatever's left? That's guilt-free spending. No stress, no guilt, just freedom. This is the awakening. Money is not about deprivation. It's about building a life you actually love. Here's Ramit's step-by-step playbook. 1. Crush your debt. High-interest debt is quicksand. Start with the avalanche method, pay highest interest first, or snowball, smallest balance first for momentum. 2. Automate everything. Savings, investments, and bills should move automatically from your account. That way, you never forget to save. Your system saves for you. 3. Open the right accounts. High-yield savings for emergencies, Roth IRA or 401k for retirement, low-cost index funds for long-term growth. Keep it simple. No need for day trading or fancy stocks. 4. Spend on what you love. Want to travel? Eat out? Buy luxury sneakers? Go for it. But cut mercilessly on stuff you don't care about. Unused subscriptions, overpriced fees, junk purchases. 5. Think long-term. Small amounts compound massively. Investing $500 a month for 40 years could make you a millionaire without ever getting rich quick. Here's the truth. A rich life isn't about the number in your bank account. It's about freedom. The freedom to travel, to spend time with family, to work on things you love. This book doesn't guilt you about coffee. It gives you the system to live life on your terms. If you've been stuck in cycles of stress, guilt, and confusion with money, this book is your way out. So let me ask you, what does your version of a rich life look like? Is it travel, time freedom, or simply no money stress? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. And don't forget to like and subscribe to join our Money Smart community. Grab I Will Teach You to Be Rich and start building your system today. Because money should serve you, not control you.